Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new NASDAQ weekly report. As usual, I'm gonna be analyzing the NASDAQ market, but also I'm gonna be doing something new from this video onward. There's gonna be also a side-by-side analysis with our favorite volatility 75 index pair. I'm gonna be doing that analysis and also that of the NASDAQ market every single week, because so far we can see the volatility 75 is a lot of people favorite pair before the boom and crash and orders. So that's why I added it to my analysis list. But anyways, let's just go straight to analyzing NASDAQ market. As you can see now from the previous time I analyzed the NASDAQ market, I'm gonna click on the play button now. As you can see, I expected a little bit of a buy, which we got, and since then I have not been able to drop any further analysis due to the tension on war in Russia. So the market has been so unstable since then, so I could only do a new analysis now. So let's dive straight into it. And also, I'm going to be doing volatility 75 analysis after this one, so stay tuned. So from this point, current market price of NASDAQ, what should we expect from the upcoming weeks ahead? What should we know? That's all we're discussing on this video for NASDAQ and also for our favorite V75 pair. So stay tuned as I tell you what we should expect. So as you can see there, I put up my VIX to reward ratio. Simply means I can say there's going to be just a little bit buy, a little bit push up to at least 15,300 mark before any bearish continuation. So we're going to put up a sell from that level down to 14,000 mark or even further down. So but just know now we are in for a short buy to that position, or to that parameter before any bearish continuation. As you can see, they broke the sell trend for a buy. As you can see, it's been buying since the previous weeks. So now I think it's just going to buy a little bit more before we should get a sell. So that's pretty much it for the NASDAQ market. Simple that way. If you want to get more confirmations, you want to join us on Telegram, which I'll put the links on this video description. So that's what we have here for the questions further on this analysis. Let me know on the comment section. Please do that, and let's just quickly dive straight with all that being said about NASDAQ. Dive straight to analyzing the volatility 75 index for the upcoming week. All right. Alright guys, so for our favorite volatility 75 index, I know a lot of people love this index so much. That's why I decided to add it to our weekly chart analysis. It's so good to grow your account the same way you can burn your account and send you to the village. So you want to be very careful with this pair. Of course, that's why you have to join both links in the video description. A synthetic indices group and also a forex group chat if you want to rub minds with very serious traders. So anyways, let's just go straight to the video. As you can see there now, we're just going to go top down from higher time frames to lower ones. First thing you want to do on a naked chart is find your trend. Find the overall trend of the market. Is it a trending market? If it's trending, where is it trending to? Bearish or bullish? Bearish means selling, bullish is a buying trend. So anyways, I put up a buy trend. That's what I can see on the higher time frames. So just gonna go do top down analysis and also go to my lower ones to find anything that we can see as well. I'm a good use of it to do a proper chart analysis on the volatility 75 market. Alright guys, so as you can see now from the 4 hours time frame, I was able to detect my consolidation parameters. Very helpful, because if the market goes into that box, we can expect consolidation on the 4 hours time frame. So just know this analysis is for you swinging, you scalping, whatever you're doing with the market, this is for you. So I just want to let you guys know that this is what we should expect. So if it contradicts with your own analysis, I mean, you can get sort of an idea of what the market is trying to do from my own perspective, right? So as you can see, I put up I see a resistance too, so I'm gonna go ahead and put up a test there. And as well, you can see two things. You can see consolidation, and you can also see bullish trend. So that simply means the market is very likely to reverse. But when I check it on the 1 day time frame, I can also see a possible bearish continuation if the current market price exceeds further down into the consolidation parameters and breaks. There's going to be a sell continuation on the 1 day time frame for swingers. So I'm going to put up a test too showing that, but that's just a what if situation. What if it breaks the consolidation parameters? That's what we should expect. But if it doesn't break it, it's just going to reverse from this point to the resistance parameters. But if you ask me, what is your take on this? My take on these, my bias on these, is a buy. I'm going to stand with a buy from this point to the resistance parameters. I'm going to stick with a buy. But I'm just saying, just so you know, take note of the consolidation parameter, because the same time it's going to break the consolidation parameters, it's also the same time it's going to break the overall bullish trend. So that's just so you know. But as for me, I'm going in with a buy, with a short buy to resistance parameters. That's simply all I can say for the NASDAQ market for throughout of next week, maybe even next 2 weeks too. But before then, I'll probably drop another analysis. But for now, this is what I think we should expect from the NASDAQ market. That's pretty much all I have to say concerning the NASDAQ and also the volatility 75 chart analysis. So you can go ahead to the comment section, drop your own opinion. What do you think? I said the NASDAQ market is going to be a little bit of a buy before a sell continuation. And for V75, you can see I said it's going to be a buy. So what do you also think? Let me know in the comment section. Like and subscribe if you love both side-by-side analysis of NASDAQ and V75. If you also want me to add any more index or forex pair, let me know all in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. So stay tuned.